2004 XC70. The back window is broken. Somebody smashed the window. So I ordered the window from Jaguar. It's about 75 bucks. I ordered it and I'm trying to take the trim off now. So you have one bolt right here that you will take off this little piece. One bolt right here, I think it's T25. And then you have a couple of clips like this clips that you can push it in like this. You can just push the clips in and then take it out with a prier. That's all you have to do. This one is a door prier that I'm using for these kind of jobs. It's very nice and it's on Amazon. I'll put the link on the description for you guys to get it. All you have to do is just do like this. You see how easy it is? That's it. That's what you do. Just push it. Just like that. Once you push the pin in, the rest should be easy to remove. Just like that. So as you see, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 one right here. So a total of 6 pins. These pins looks like this. It is like this in the car, like this in the car. Once you push it in, let me see if I can do it. Once you push it in, then it's going to be very easy to remove. This one completely came out, but it's okay. Once you remove all the pins, it's just a matter of pulling it back and open it. That's it. You have 2 connectors that comes off. One is for the door handle right here, and the other one is for the speaker and the switch in the window. So these trims is holding here by that special glue, manufacturer glue, that we have to take it off in order to get access to the mirror itself. Okay, so it's almost out. The only thing that I'm worried about is this piece right here. This piece is bolted into the body of the door. So I don't think it's going to be on our way, but we'll figure it out in a second. You see this? This is what I hate about Volvo. It's just one side that has a 10mm bolt for the window regulator. The other side is like this, one of these that's bolted in over there in the manufacturer. So I don't have any choice but to drill this in and put some bolts instead. That's the only solution for this. I don't see any other way. That would be the easiest way. Still struggling to take this damn thing off. All right, I finally took this off. We're drilling in and it came off like this. You see this mirror, this is the base of the mirror. It's in pieces. So you have to drill in here and here, and the rest of them will come off. So this is the new one. Unfortunately, the new one came like this. It's not the new one, it's a used one, but I have to drill this in too, and you know, put some small bolts and bolting in. That's the only way, the only option that you have. Thanks. All right, finally. So this is the new one. As you see, I put a new, same like original, not original, but you know, I have that machine that put this back in place similar to this one, and it works pretty good now, man. You see, the window is up and down. That's how it works. There you go. All right, now everything is good to go. Back in place. It makes some noise because the broken glasses was still here, so I cleaned it up. It'll take time, but we have to clean the glass too. The glass has some glues.